Hey everyone, I'm Loui. My dog William and I have been living in a van off and on for a little over 2 years now. So far we have adventured through 21 states and 3 Canadian provinces. We've climbed, hiked, and have met a bunch of awesome nomads along the way. After a few months break living in a house through the beginning of the pandemic, we have built out a whole new van and hit the road again. This time, caravanning with my mom and her pup Lady. Thanks for watching and subscribe to find out where we end up each week.
There comes a time in every van life adventure where you need to leave the comfort of isolation to go back to town to restock.
Will there be a place for me to grocery shop? Will there be a place for me to get laundry done? Will there be a place for my water? Who knows? But that's all part of the adventure.
Alright, what do we have to do today? We gotta add oil to the engine, get some gas, some much needed gas, fill up the water jugs, go to the grocery store and buy some healthy foods, question existence, and nah, I don't need to do that. Do some laundry if I can find a laundromat, and find a new spot.
Looks like we got a lot to do today. It's already 11 a.m. I was supposed to wake up at 8 a.m., clean the van, take William for a walk, get ready to go to town, but here we are. We're on van time. Straight up, this is gonna be so weird going into town after being out here for so long. I don't know how to social anymore. What is a social? I've never socialed before.
Well, you're ready to go, apparently. Gotta check that old engine oil.
I can't tell, guys. You can't see that, but
It looks like it still might be good.
let's do it. Let's do it one more time. I think I'm gonna leave it. It's good. That's the thing with these old cars, you never freaking know. And I burn engine oil so fast because the speed limit out here is like 80, and I can really only go 70 in this van because 1, it's heavy, and 2, it's old. So hopefully it's fine. Hey engine, are you good? Do you need more fuel? Do you need more engine oil? You good? Okay, stay good for me because we gotta get to town because we gotta get some water. I don't know who else needs to hear this, but having driving anxiety is 100% okay. And I experience it too. I very much dislike driving on the highway in this vehicle because I know it's very heavy. And I'm always afraid that my van isn't gonna start. She did this time. So, if you're afraid, don't worry. I am also afraid of driving a big van around, but we make it through. All right, I don't even know where we're going yet. I know we need to get gas. That's number 1 on this list here. Okay, plan is we're gonna get to town. Oh wait, I should probably put something in the... We're gonna get to town, and then I'm gonna go...
Head south on BLF.
I'm gonna double check and see how much gas costs. These are the roads you deal with back here. Yep, yep. Great spot, great place. Roads that make my hands sweat. Something else seemed to happen. That's crazy. Didn't know wildfires could happen out here. I just thought that it was all rocks and small bushes, but I guess they can set on fire. That's crazy. I'm gonna find out what it is. Made it to the gas station. Whee! Can't tell you how relieved I am to have gotten to the gas station without running out of gas. There was so much traffic. I recommend not waiting till the last moment to get gas if you're by yourself, but that is what I did. I was 9 miles out from being empty, so yeah, we're good though. Getting gas, first task of the day done. Whew, my anxiety loves me right now. I finally found some water. Stay there, William. I had to drive around this gas station 2 times to figure out where this water faucet was. Wait, scoot over, William. So we made it to the grocery store, but I need to take a minute. That was extremely stressful for no goddamn reason. Like, all I was doing was filling my water. But the gas station, I think it's an Exxon Mobil in Moab. Definitely fill your water there. It's super easy. The people at the gas station were super friendly. I bought a kombucha and a Cliff Bar because I haven't eaten anything yet today and I don't want to go shopping without eating, so I bought this. But whew, 15 gallons of water. Huh, William, you need some water right now, don't you? Yeah. Oh man, so that's done. And now we're gonna go grocery shopping, but first I have to make the list of what I want to get to be super efficient, because I'm an in and out kind of person. I do not like strolling around the aisles and spending too much money and taking forever, so yeah. And dudes can't just leave you alone. I was getting out of the car and this guy was all like, "That's a nice dog," and I'm like, "Yeah, I love him. He's so good." He's all like, "Does he do a good job taking care of you?" And I was like, "Yeah, he totally does. That's part of the reason why I have him, because I wanted to scare him and to stopping harassing me." But I went in and got a kombucha and the Cliff Bar, and he was like, "I'll take that dog from you if you don't want him." And I was like, "What do you think this is? Obviously, I want my dog." Freaking people they gotta say something all the time. They always have to say something. That was a complete fiasco. I tried to record in there, but I also didn't want people to be like creeped out that I'm like walking around with my phone just recording everything. Holy cannoli. Like, I'll have to look back at the footage and see if I was able to even like catch any of it, but everyone was like super friendly. That was like, this is a super nice town. Everyone's so nice. Oh, and then I knocked over a signpost with my cart trying to get through the aisle. Oh, chaotic energy. Anyways, I am going to put away the groceries and figure out what the next plan of action is. So that's how much I spent. $75.23. And that got me 2 large bags of groceries here in Moab, Utah. Or I make William's food, so I got all of the makings for his food and all of the stuff for my food for hopefully will be at least like a week and a half, hoping 2 weeks. If I could go 2 weeks on this, that's great. I don't necessarily need to, but I like to save money. I'm gonna put all the groceries away now. I just wanted to show y'all how messy my fridge is so that I could be held accountable. No matter how hard I try to keep my refrigerator clean all the time, it somehow always gets really gross and messy like that. And then like 2 weeks pass and I'm like, oh crap, I better clean my fridge. And it's just so gross. So I'm cleaning that before I put everything in there. Fresh start. This shit's nasty. Ugh. So gross. Why do I leave things this long? It's so disgusting. Look at how clean. I mean, there's still spots in it, but you know, it's much better than it was before. Now it's time to load it back up with the stuff. Alrighty, I was able to do laundry because the laundromat is across the street from where I parked at the supermarket, so I just stayed parked here and did my laundry. It's nice to get rid of that dirty laundry as much as possible. Now we're going to head to a spot, and the way I've been finding spots out here in Moab is by going on iOverlander. find a new spot, looking for some BLM land, and so that's where we are going to head. Right, William? He's been so patient. It's time to take him somewhere where I can take him on a walk. I want y'all to see how many frickin' people there are here. It's endless. I mean, just look how many people are behind me. There's so many people behind me driving, trying to find a spot. Weekend's here. Well, y'all, I am back where I was early this morning, and now I'm regretting not setting up a tent at the place that I was parked at, but oh well. We're gonna get up super early tomorrow anyways and go hiking. Guess we're just gonna stay in this little parking lot tonight. Leave at like 6 in the morning anyway, so. Hey, it's me again, your 20-something-year-old anxiety-filled gal. I just took William on a walk, and now I'm making this stuff called sinigang. My dad is Filipino, so I grew up eating this soup called sinigang, and I bought some tamarind soup mix a while ago that I've had in the van, and I'm concocting a new generational sinigang recipe and using udon and mushrooms and whatever veggies that I have and making a soup for dinner. So should be kind of good. I really like sinigang because it's like really sour and like salty and savory, and it's my favorite thing. So I'll show you the finished product. So yeah, that's my sinigang udon that I'm going to eat for dinner tonight. And so this is the end of the video. I just wanted to say thank you for coming along with me on my anxiety-filled errand day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what your favorite dish that you ate as a child is, and maybe I can try it. Thanks for watching. Bye.